Obviously, the topic of machining is very broad and can get very technical. I'm trying to keep it specifically to, in my experience, what you'll find, the types of machining tasks you'll find in facilities maintenance. So when I talk about machining, it could be on a mill, it could be on a lathe. There's different attachments and accessories for your mill or your lathe. If you don't have a mill or lathe in your facility shop, you can do metal fabrication or use other basic tools to accomplish your task. Might not be as easy, it might take a little bit longer. You can get creative if you don't have a lathe or a mill. Or you can simply outsource it to a local machine shop that can do that kind of exact work for you. I'd recommend a good digital calipers or a dial indicator if you're going to be doing machining. Again, depending on how exact your machining has to be. And again, a good set of end mills like you see in this picture. Annular cutters work really well. And always wear your PPE, eyeglasses, etc. So here's a AutoCAD drawing of a simple bracket that I recently had to fabricate at work. It was made out of architectural 6063 aluminum U-channel, sourced from McMaster-Carr. That's a part number at the bottom of the drawing. And basically it was a 3-slot hose storage bracket for some 2 water lines and 1 air line. You can see there's some dimensions on here showing you what the finished product should look like. So I'm just briefly going to go through the machining steps that I used. I used end mills on my mill at work to make these brackets. I had to make 16 of these brackets. The end mills I had to use for this project weren't the sharpest, they were old. Ideally you want your end mills to be nice and sharp, and use some lubricant when you use end mills. Some cutting oil is helpful. And then here's the finished product. Now I just need to clean it up and deburr it, and then I'll be ready for installation. Anyways, I hope this video kind of helps give some insight as to what type of machining you might see in facilities maintenance. Generally, it's nothing, in my experience, that's too complex or complicated. Generally, something really complex or complicated that needs to be fabricated is going to be sourced out to a local machine shop. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell. Leave me a comment for future video topics that you would like me to cover. Thank you.